Hello, Barry Anderson here from Trade Ideas with the stock of the day, and today it is KPLT. Now, I want to show this one because it gives you a couple of opportunities. Well, one opportunity to go long, and of course, one opportunity to go short. Now, first of all, this came from my option scanner, which is just producing like crazy still, and this is one that I took from it. Now, people ask me a lot, well, how do you use your option scanner? I mean, sometimes, today I think there are about 10 alerts from it, but not all alerts are created equal. So for instance, if I just drag this window in here, and here's my daily chart for KPLT. So what do I see? I see a stock that has a lot of room that if it, up to that 588 level. So remember, we got the alert at I think 554 or sorry 454. So this stock had a lot of room when you look left. So that made it become a prime candidate for me to really stare at it for a while. So we got the alert at 454. I'm going to show you. Hopefully this blue. You know what? Just give me a second here. Just got to get my symbol linking, and then I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. Now, hopefully this will. There we go. So see that blue arrow? That's where the alert happened, okay? And at 454, but look what happened. It pulled back, and so I waited on this one, because people say, well, when do you take the alert? Well, I rarely do I take the trade right at the time of the alert. I like to see, number one, I want to have a quick look to see on the daily chart to see what it's doing, how much room there is, and then I want to see how it's trading. Is there some good volume coming in? And so all of a sudden this started to pull back, but I said, okay, if this gets back up to that to the alert level, which was 454, I'm probably going to take the trade. I want to take this trade, and that's what I said in the room. So now, was it easy? Not exactly, because look what happened. It got up to 480, it came back down. It got up to 5, it came back down. And finally, it popped through $5, okay? Now, I took some off before it got to the $5 level right around here, just in case it couldn't. And then I took the majority off right around this 560 level. However, gives you an opportunity to short also. This was a very, very parabolic move. And people like Real in the room, he's looking for these all day long. And he puts out these Fibonacci levels. And, he said the first one was, I think, at 533, and then down here around 5. And so it gives you an opportunity both ways on some of these ones that I'm getting from my option scanner, obviously to take advantage of the long side, but then as they get parabolic, take advantage on the short side. So that's why I think, to just be able to look at about 10 stocks overall in the day for all the opportunities presented within the day for these stocks is a way for new people, especially, to really concentrate just on a finite number of stocks and kind of get a feel for, how stocks trade, how you can take advantage of short positions. Certainly, though, how you take advantage of long positions when you see a lot of room that a stock has on a daily chart. All right, I want to get back into the trading room, but certainly KPLT, I wanted to use this just as an example, how you can go long and short the same stock that comes from my option scanner. All right, now depends when you're getting this email. Hopefully you're getting it today. The promotion code is still on. I'm 100% sure it'll end tonight at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time. You can still have the opportunity to save 25% on your first month only, or the entire year of a Trade Idea subscription. In the email you're getting, you will see the promo code. So I'm going to open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern Time. I hope to see you in the room. Bye-bye.